Hello guys, this video I will show you about Key Cafe. Okay, you can download Key Cafe on Galaxy Store. Okay, I open. You can see make your own keyboard. Okay, click on here. You can make your own keyboard. Okay, you can see style your own keyboard. You can choose other keyboard. Okay, which one you love? Okay, I love this keyboard. Okay, you must install Dumpack. And then I go to YouTube. Okay, you can see beautiful keyboard, Key Cafe. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and I will see you next time. Comment down below. Okay, thank you. Bye.